Okay, having this other question to solve for x, given that x cubed is equals to minus 1. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this one on this other side. But we know what that I cubed is equals to what? I square times I. That is equals to what? I square is negative 1, that will be negative I. Automatically, you can just say that I is a value of x, but since it's x cubed, we have 3 value of x. Okay, if we move this one on this other side, you have x cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. But know that negative 1, all that cube is equals to negative 1. Negative 1. So you're going to ask me why am I using negative 1 cube? Because we have x cube. I know from algebra that a cube minus b cube is equals to what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, that's what we know from algebra. Okay, we are going to apply it here to have something like this. Therefore, we are going to have x cube minus 1 cube. That would be what? X minus 1 into what? X square. X minus. Okay. Here is I, sorry. X was negative I. Minus I. X minus I cube. X minus I is equals to what? X square minus plus xi plus I square equals to 0. Automatically, x is equals to what? I. Since x minus I will be equals to 0, hence x is equals to I, as we earlier said. Okay. Therefore, we are left with x square plus ix. You know that I square is equals to what? Negative 1 equals to 0. And then we're going to solve for x here. You can factorize this to have what? Using the method, that will be x is equals to what? Negative, this I, the b here is I, plus minus b square, I square, minus 4, a, what's a? 1, times minus 1. Square root of this, all over this man. We are going to be giving negative I plus minus, what's I square? Negative 1 plus 4. Because this and this will have plus 4, square root of this, all over this now. Hence, you are going to be having negative I plus minus this plus this, that will be 4, that will be 3 root 3 on this. Therefore, our x will be equals to what? Minus I plus root 3 on this, or x is equals to negative I minus, and now the typical value of x. We come to the end of this. Subscribe and watch me next video.